ready to say goodbye to VIDIQ forever and reclaim your digital space. This is your definitive guide to permanently deleting your VIDIQ account, ensuring all your data is gone and your subscription is canceled for good. First things first, you'll need to log into your VIDIQ account. Head over to the VIDIQ website and enter your login credentials once you're in. Locate your profile or account settings. This is usually represented by a profile picture or an icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Within your account settings, look for a section that pertains to your account management, subscription details, or billing. Sometimes this might be clearly labeled as account or subscription. If you don't see it immediately, explore the various tabs or links available in your settings menu. Now, the crucial step, you're looking for an option to delete account or close account. This might be a button or a link, and it's often located at the bottom of the account management page or within a submenu related to account termination. Be aware that this action is irreversible, so make sure you've backed up any data you might want to keep. VIDIQ will likely present you with a confirmation screen. Read this carefully. It will usually warn you that deleting your account is permanent and will remove all associated data. You might need to re-enter your password or check a box to acknowledge this if you're absolutely sure. Proceed with the confirmation. And that's it. Once confirmed, your VIDIQ account will be permanently deleted. This means all your stored data and any active subscriptions linked to that account will be terminated. You've successfully reclaimed your digital privacy and completed your account termination.